When you log in, you are presented with your dashboard, which shows your leave in a year at a glance. You can click on previous requests to view the information associated with them. You can submit a request either by clicking the New Request button, the plus button, or by clicking on a date in the calendar. Choose your leave type and make any necessary adjustments. Add your reason and check the details before clicking Submit. This will send a request to your manager. The system comes with a directory of employees and an org chart. View a list of your requests and take a look at your allowances. These can be separated into different allowance types with various different settings associated. There's also a team calendar to view who else is off at any given time. Back on the dashboard, you can view your notifications and any announcements we may have distributed. You can also configure elements of the dashboard, so you can add or remove sections as you need. Here I've given Paul an extra widget to view who else is off all in one place.